character is Harshad Mehta, which I guess almost everybody in India at least would know about. He is called the big bull of the stock market.
And Harshad Mehta was every Indian's dream, a dream that was shattered with the fall of Harshad Mehta.
हर्षद मेहता का केस एक ऐसा केस है जिसके बारे में पूरा हिंदुस्तान जानता है.
We are also dealing with the human side of the entire character. It's not only the technical part of the scam and all, but the human psyche and the human side of the character which we are exploring on a good scale. A common man who had a big dream and he fulfills the dream to a good extent. And beyond a point, he is not in the control of his own dream. And then things happened the way it happened.
Pratik has actually lived that character. He has imbibed the character, and the best thing about Pratik is he's so easy. He is so good with the character. He understands all the nuances.
Pratik Gandhi is lovely. Like I said, all actors in this series are lovely. They're exceptional. But of course, Pratik has a huge role. He's carrying the series on his shoulders.
I think he has got under the skin of the character. उसके साथ में बात करते समय at a certain points I felt it was actually Harshad Mehta. He was so confident कि वो हर्षद मेहता को जो एक confidence था कोई भी आए I can move things like this.
Harshad had a kind of lopsided smile which he seems to have got, and he has also got his accent right.
Initially it was called the stock scam. Brokers didn't like it, so they called it the bank scam. But I will tell you what it is. It is the city scam.
From the husband's point of view, I think he's very loving. He's very honest to me. I don't know about the world, but he's very honest to me, very loving, and I think these are the traits I would look for in my husband. वो extremely loving है, extremely caring है. Even to the family, like mother, brother, he makes sure that he looks after everyone, even though he's not verbally expressing it or saying it out loud, पर उनके जेस्चर्स से पता चल जाता है that वो कैसे हर चीज़ को वैल्यू करते हैं या किसी को खुश देखकर वो कितने खुश हो जाते हैं.
I actually had to go off shape to do this character because I was perfectly in shape. I was never beyond 72 kg in my life, and right now when I'm talking to, I'm 88 kgs. So the only worry is how to get back to the shape after this shoot is done.
From the 70s part, we have big collars and bootcut trousers. So that as a pattern we've used for Harshad Mehta and all his family and the people around him. We've tried to stick to a lot of stripes, checks, and not so bright colors, which is anyway the general color palette of the whole series also.
हर्षद के पास नॉलेज बहुत, उसको कैसे पैसा बनाया जाए शेयर मार्केट में उसका कमाल का नॉलेज था. उसको कमाल का सेंस इस बात का भी था कि लूप होल्स क्या है. उसको कमाल का सेंस इस बात का भी था कि इन लूप होल्स का फ़ायदा कैसे उठाया जाए. सो फॉर मी हर्षद इज़ एन इंस्पायरिंग पर्सन टिल द टाइम ही डजंट cross the line.
He was living the Sanskrit quote of Aham Brahmasmi almost in real life because he achieved everything right from zero. He was passionate about earning money, making it big. He had huge dreams, and beyond a point, a lot of things sounded impractical, but I guess he did it with a lot of conviction, and he proved it to the world that this can also happen. Then there are repercussions to everything that you do.
Most people see him as a common criminal today, which is all wrong. I don't think he's a common criminal. He's one of the sharpest guys I've met, and he did a lot of things which he did. He was a very patriotic man. He always spoke very highly of India. The dreams that he had was to put India on the world stock market map.
किसी भी चीज़ को पाने की कोशिश की तो उसके लिए उसने साम दाम दंड भेद सब कुछ आजमाया उसे हासिल करने के लिए.
आज हमारा आखिरी दिन है, सो ये लास्ट टाइम मैं हर्षद मेहता बन रहा हूँ. कल से ये मूछें निकल जाएंगी और मैं ओरिजिनल प्रतीक गांधी बन के वापस बाहर आ जाऊँगा. इट्स अ रैप फॉर स्कैम फॉर मी एंड फॉर ऑल.